Okay, right, today we're going to discuss the problem where you're given an equation, a polynomial, you're told it has roots alpha, beta and gamma, and then they say, okay, find me a new equation which has roots 1 over alpha, 1 over beta, 1 over gamma, or something to that effect. So let's start off with a polynomial. We'll start off with 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x plus 6 equals 0. And we're told that this equation has roots alpha, beta and gamma. And we might be told, for example, find the new equation with roots minus 3 over alpha, minus 3 over beta, minus 3 over gamma. Okay, that looks pretty daunting. Somehow we've got to modify this equation here so that instead of having this as roots, it has that as roots. Well, the way to find the solution is very, very simple. First of all, you let x equal minus 3 over alpha. Manipulate it so that you get alpha on this side, therefore minus x equals 3 over alpha minus x over 3 equals 1 over alpha minus 3 over x equals alpha. Okay, so now you should easily be able to see, I'll just put a box around that for you. You should easily be able to see that if you were then to substitute minus 3 over x for every occurrence of x in this equation, that then minus 3 over alpha would be a solution to that equation. Well, I'll do that for you now. Let's put in minus 3 over x, 2 we'd get 2 times minus 3 over x cubed minus 5 times minus 3 over x squared plus 4 times minus 3 over x plus 6 equals 0. Obviously this forms a new equation. If you were to multiply everything by x cubed, you get some new equation there. Now, I've told you that you start off with this equation. You've got to find a new equation which has root minus 1 over 3 over alpha. The way how you do that is you let x equal minus 3 over alpha and then get alpha onto one side to find that minus 3 over x equals alpha. Substitute that back into there for x, and then minus 3 over alpha will be a solution. Now that is actually quite you can actually deduce that from just thinking about what's happening, but rather than, I'm going to go further than that. I'm going to prove to you that this will work so that you'll know you can use it for any kind of question they ask you. Here they've asked you for minus 3 over alpha. You can use exactly the same technique if they ask you for minus 1 over alpha squared, minus 1 over beta squared, etc, etc. Okay, right, so this is our new equation. I'm not going to simplify it for the moment because first of all I want to prove to you that this definitely works. Let's now assume that 3 over alpha is a solution to this equation. Sorry, minus 3 over alpha is a solution to this equation. So I'm going to substitute that for x in there and see what we get. Well, what we'd get is 2 times minus 3 over minus 3 over alpha all cubed minus 5 over minus 3 over minus 3 over alpha all squared plus 4 into minus 3 over minus 3 over alpha plus 6 equals 0. If we substitute in the supposed solution, minus 3 over alpha, well, if we look at that, we'd get minus 3 over minus 3. These are going to cancel out, and you get 2 alpha cubed minus 5. These are going to cancel out, alpha squared plus 4 alpha plus 6 equals 0. Does that work? Does this hold true? Well, yes, of course it holds true. If we look at our original equation here and we substitute for alpha, we'd get a line down there, we'd get 2 alpha cubed minus 5 alpha squared plus 4 alpha plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so we know that 2 alpha cubed minus 5 alpha squared plus 4 alpha plus 6 equals 0. We know it because alpha is a solution of this equation. Well, look, here we've got exactly the same thing. We've got 2 alpha cubed minus 5 alpha squared plus 4 alpha plus 6 equals 0. So we know that minus 3 over alpha is a solution to our new equation, 2 times minus 3 over x cubed minus 5 times minus 3 over x squared, etc., etc. Okay, now I'll finish this off properly. I'll simplify this by multiplying everything by x cubed, and we'll get the proper answer, the full answer out. This is our new equation, which has minus 3 over alpha as a solution. So I'll simplify it now by multiplying everything by x cubed. We'll get 2 times minus 27 minus 5 times 9 x squared, no, sorry, x plus minus 12 times x squared plus 6 x cubed equals 0. Well, that's 6 x cubed minus 12 x squared minus 45x minus 54 equals 0. And there we have our answer, there we have our solution. To recap what we were asked to do, we started off with this equation. We were told the roots are alpha, beta plus gamma. We were asked to find a new equation with roots minus 3 over alpha, minus 3 over beta, minus 3 over gamma. The trick is, let x equal minus 3 over alpha, manipulate this expression so you get alpha on one side, and you'll get some expression in x on this side, minus 3 over x. Substitute for every occurrence of x in this equation, substitute minus 3 over x. This is minus 3 over x, which is what we've done here. Simplify this, and you'll get the new equation, 6x cubed minus 12x squared minus 45x minus 54, and this will have roots minus 3 over gamma, minus 3 over beta, minus 3 over alpha. Okay? Alright, So that's how to do it. It's simple. I've also proved to you why this works. Just do it and you'll never have any problems with these again. I can give you